Hey, what's going on, family? So this video is actually long overdue. Okay, so if you guys don't remember, any of my past videos, man, you got to check them out because I have used this particular funding firm before, Top Tier Trader. It is great. It runs smoothly. I've never had any problems with them, and passed a couple of their challenges, and even competed in some of their competitions to where you can actually earn a free funded account. All of that is on here, and it's those videos are on my page if you would like to check them out soon. But before I even break this firm down and before I even get into the good stuff, if you're on here, you don't feel like watching the rest of this video, you feel like you already got the skills to compete and do what you need to do and get funded, the actual website to this will be in the link in my description. And mind you too, listen carefully, if you use the link in my description, you will get 30% off of your account. Okay, so hey, yeah, I'll leave that to y'all, however y'all want to do that. But you will get 30% off if you use the link in my description box to purchase one of these funding firm accounts. And mind you, we're gonna go over what you can actually purchase, what challenges you can actually purchase right here in a few minutes. So hold your horses. We're gonna get right into the good stuff. Okay, so Top Tier Trader. So they've actually updated a lot for this particular platform. They've done a lot of changes, and we're not going to watch it, but you can pretty much watch the video once you guys get to the website and everything. You can get up to $600,000 in simulated funding, and if you're good enough and you're getting challenge after challenge, you're getting funded, and you're passing the phases over and over again, they allow you to scale up to $2 million, okay, with the accounts that you have all in all. And you get to keep 90% of the profit, which is, a big deal as well, too. So definitely keep these things in mind if you make it, past the two phases. So we're going to scroll down here. And you can kind of see, then just kind of giving more credibility. 10 plus years of prop trading experience, 5,000 traders around the world, $100 million plus in simulated trading capital, 95% profitable traders in first year. They got to put that credibility out there so people know this is a legit firm. And I think the owner of this is Q Banks, Quillen Black, which is one of my mentors. I actually purchased this gentleman's course, and I've been able to learn a lot from him. So that's another reason why I use this as well too. Okay, so down here our two-tier evaluation process. I identify skilled traders to join our proprietary firm, manage virtual funds remotely, and grow your simulated account with our scaling plan. Okay, so easy. Tier 1, prove your skills and discipline by observing and simulating trading objectives. So grow your simulated account to the target amount, achieve your target within the simulated drawdown limit, stick to the simulated trading rules, stick to your trading rules, stick to your trading plan, and man, you will be able to be successful in this. This is tier 2 as well. To reach the target and maintain your virtual profit level, same sort of thing is pretty much what they're saying, but the difference is for the first phase you'll have to reach 10% of whatever account you get, and for the second phase you'll have to reach 5% of whatever account you get, 5% profit. So this is pretty much what you would be looking at. And then see, the sign-up fee is fully refundable upon receiving your first payout. That is another thing that you guys have to keep in mind. Okay, it's almost a money, you get your money back guarantee if and only if you stick to your trading plan, which you obviously should be doing even if you have a live account anyways. Like if you're going to be successful with any sort of account, that's what you're going to have to do regardless. But at least with this, you'll be able to see those bigger numbers, especially if you're somebody that, maybe you're just coming up within the industry. You don't really have too much money to invest with. Leveraging these firms is going to be a great way for you to be able to see those numbers that you want and then have access to bigger capital. So keep this in mind. And so that sign up fee is fully refundable, which we'll go over how much those the fees pretty much run in a few minutes here. Number 2, continue to trade consistently and receive up to 90% of your virtual earnings. We discussed that earlier. Number 3, trade with no time limits and virtual profit targets as long as you are consistent and responsible. Okay, so this goes back into having, the right trading plan, making sure you stick to your rules and regulations according to whatever your strategy is and however you trade. So keep all of this in mind. And the no time limit thing is they give you a minimum, I believe, of 4 trading days. So people kind of get this confused. They're like, okay, does that mean I only get 4 days or to win my trades or to pass the challenge? And no, they're saying you have to trade for a minimum of 4 trading days. So you on the first day, if you get in a trade, that counts as a day. When the second day hits, if you click on the trade, that counts as a day. That's pretty much how it runs. So definitely keep that in mind. We're gonna go over that a little bit further down when we get down here. Okay, so these are the challenges. So you can go all the way up to as high as 300K, and you guys can pretty much see how the profit targets and everything, pretty much range out. Okay, so profit target 10% for the 300K account is $30,000. You can see it. Max loss for this particular account is 30,000, so it's 10%. A trader's equity must not drop more than 10% from the initial account balance. Okay, so that means 300K. You know what I'm saying? 30,000 minus 300K or whatever. You can't go below that, man. You can't go below 10% on the account. Okay, so definitely keep that in mind. And mind you, when you guys do purchase these challenges as well too, it will be tracked. You'll be able to see all of this. So keep this in mind once you purchase it and you get the credentials for the actual account. Okay, you'll be able to see your max loss and to see if where you range on it. You'll be able to see your profit target to where where you range, or if you're close, if you're not that close, if you're pretty far back. You'll be able to see all of that. The leverage is 1 to 100. See, this is the traders available leverage for both evaluation and live passes. Add-on feature will increase leverage amounts. Yeah, you can increase your leverage amount if you want. They allow you to get that add-on when you first purchase the account. It'll just have you pay a little extra, but once again, that's where that 30% discount, if you guys decide to use it, in my description box comes in, because it'll help towards or whatever add-ons that you guys want to add. Maybe you want to get a faster payout. Maybe you're somebody that wants to trade on the weekend. If you want any of those add-ons, that 30% off will help. So these are the minimum trading days right here. Max daily loss. Traders equity must not drop more than 5% from the day's starting balance and or equity, whichever is high. So you can't drop 5% of 30,000 would be 15,000. So you can't lose more than $15,000 in a whole day. So what happens is, say if the daily is 15,000 and say you lost, I don't know, say you lost 12,000. Well, if you want to be safe and not reach that daily loss limit, then you can just wait until the daily loss resets again, which will be at 5 o'clock or 5 p.m. Eastern every day. And then you can pretty much refresh your account, and it'll basically show you what your new daily loss limit looks like. So being mindful of that, that gauge, and being able to just see that and track that is something that's been very, very helpful for me as well too, with Top Tier Trader. Just seeing that spot on data is a big help. So keep that in mind, guys, for the max daily loss. Payout Express. This is an add-on. See, this add-on allows for 14-day payouts on funded accounts. If you want your money fast, you can add this. Profit Booster. This add-on allows for higher payouts, so 90 to 10 profit split on funded account. So all of these are add-ons. Add-on allows to trade during news events, weekend trading. If you're somebody that likes to trade crypto and stuff like that, you like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, well, I don't know, whatever you guys like to trade, you know what I'm saying, that's something that they allow as well too. So let's say you guys want to go ahead and purchase an account right now. Well, all you have to do is click on the link in my description, and it'll bring you to the purchase page, and you can pretty much see how dramatic the discount is. So you can pretty much see it, like minus 500 right there. And this is with the add-ons, and if I take them off, like, bro, you're paying $900, then they're $900, you know what I'm saying, for 300,000. So you can see the big deal on this, like, and this is 200K. Take the add-ons off, boom, you know what I'm saying? Even with the add-ons, it's not even that bad. Like for 200K, 800. So you guys want to keep this in mind. Take advantage of this discount. I don't know how long the discount is going to be around, so keep it in mind, guys. I just wanted to make this video so you guys know about it, because I definitely took advantage of their discounts when they come out. I make sure I take advantage of it. You know what I'm saying? Having a chance to make or win $100,000 simulated funded account, or 200K or 300K. That's a big deal, and that's a big deal of capital to trade with, especially if you're somebody who really trades. You know exactly what that can do, you know what I'm saying, for your life, for your situation, whatever you're doing, whether you got a lot of money, whether you got a little money. It is it can be very, very dramatic, especially if you know what you're doing. So yeah, but anyways, guys, just a short little video. Hopefully you guys use that information to your advantage. I know I kind of, go here and there with my content. I'm just uploading pretty much what I'm feeling, what I feel like can help somebody else, may be able to benefit somebody else. I'm just kind of uploading information and things that I know, and then hopefully you guys take advantage of it. But other than all of that, guys, that is it for this video. All of the great stuff, once again, will be in the link in my description box. But other than that, like always, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.